In a recent video, I did a tutorial on how to install the Eufy outdoor string lights, and I mentioned that the power adapter itself is not necessarily waterproof, and so Eufy offers a waterproof case, and that today is what we're going to be showing you. So this doesn't come with your string lights. If you can actually put that power adapter indoors, that is preferred, but if not, you have this as an option. And this box is fairly simple, and this is going to make for a pretty quick video. But there you go. This is the case for our power adapter. Very simple, but it's also much bigger than I anticipated. It has tabs on all four corners to latch it closed. And then the front face here unlatches there to open up to a hollow space where we can put our power adapter, as well as it comes with some rubber grommets to help create a seal on your power cable. But let's go ahead and take this outside and show you how that's done real quick. All right, so it's as easy as opening this guy up, placing everything inside, and since this is connected to an extension cord, I'm gonna see if I can just tuck everything in here. And then this whole kit on the ends has these little guide teeth that will work as a stop to help prevent the cord from being pulled out as well. So let's see if we can just fit everything in here. All right, so I'm cramming a lot in mine. We got everything kind of tucked in here. All right, and now everything is contained inside this package here. We have one cord coming out either side, and then we'll just leave that right there. Rather than an ugly bundle of cords, it's all tucked away nicely, just like that. And there you go, super easy install. I ended up being able to jam a whole lot more in there than I needed to and intended, but there is the space to do that. So if you need to put additional things in there, they do fit. If you want to see the original video that I'm referring to in this, I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video, as well as links to get these lights for yourself. I am an affiliate, so using those links do help to support this channel with no additional cost to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about the install process, about this, or anything else, leave those in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.